Hi guys! Well, have you already opened your Etsy shop? And I should admit, it is definitely a great idea. But what is the next step? Many sellers are just waiting for views and likes. As if you read any Facebook group, probably every day someone asks a question about how much time other sellers were waiting for their first sales. Stop. Do not repeat this huge mistake. Remember, you need traffic to become recognizable for your potential customers. And today's video, I've decided to devote the secret of how to generate more traffic. So, we will discuss social media as one of the most effective and successful tools for a great number of your shop visits. But on this channel, you can find tons of hacks and tips for your Etsy business, so be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. Being an online market for vintage and handmade stuff, everyone has an opportunity to try his or her business on Etsy. So the main factors of success mean proper and effective application of all tools for promotion of your shop online. And you should use every place, platform, and social media for driving more and more target audience to your listings. But the key is that you should work and be active with your shop. As if you are eager to get really juicy results, your Etsy shop requires attention, time, and efforts. If you think that this marketplace is only for amateurs, so you are totally wrong. Every year, this platform gets more and more participants, both buyers and sellers. It is on great demand, especially now when most businesses are trying to go online and become a part of e-commerce. And Etsy platform suggests such conditions for buyers to find quickly what they want and for sellers to meet their audience from all over the world. So, let's start with the tip that is out of the question. Your stuff should be trending. But if you are frustrated and cannot say your goods are on great focus, of great awareness, there is a way out. You can present your items in some trending way. You just need to analyze trends and apply some elements into your visual content. Okay, I know now most of you have a question. How should we know what is trending now and what is really old school stuff? Well, pay attention to everything that is popular now. It can be music, some particular styles, especially often used colors, photo tendencies. Just look around. Billboards, content ads, radio, top charts, shop windows. We will talk about the visual part a bit later, and now I would like to explain my approach as for using of audio and video stuff in your marketing promotion. Modern world tendencies influence our environment, views, and wishes. Look ahead. What songs are on top? What movies are most wanted in close future? Mind their features, especially ones. And I am now talking about copyright rules. You should catch their mission, character, association. At least you can show the later in your description expressing this or that message. However, if you find such an analysis rather complicated, you can skip this moment and just use special tools developed for Etsy sellers, like Seller Way. You will identify easily what is popular now among Etsy buyers and use the results of the tools as references for your further work on the marketplace. So, how can Etsy seller attract so necessary and desirable clients and make them click and like and buy stuff in general? Actually, there are many factors you should keep in focus. But if we are talking about social media today, then first of all, you should decide and choose the most proper channels for your niche. As surely you cannot be highly effective everywhere, or it takes you just tons of time, but I don't think you want to spend all your time just creating and adapting content for every single social network. Perhaps someone can work this way, but oh my god, where do they take time for creating their stuff? I suggest you some recommendations what Etsy sellers do not need to do on their social media. If you are interested, then remember, hit the like button and we are jumping into our list of don'ts. Number 1. So, mistake number 1, when you decide to use any of social media as some additional channel for your Etsy shop, do not turn your account into a shop window. I'm really impressed as it is perhaps the most widespread fails among sellers. On social networks, people want to watch, communicate, and read real people. So, what can your potential buyers see in one more shop window? They are on Instagram or Facebook, for example. They want to look at other people, their lives, emotions, read their stories, fails, and successes. They are looking for someone being a kind of a soulmate for them. So, remember my words. The next time when you are going to publish one more photo of your stuff with just its characteristics, ask yourself whether it can catch you as a buyer. Make your account alive. Share your story as most of world brands do. The next moment in our list is about constant monitoring of your stats. It is necessary, no doubt, but traffic for traffic is nothing. If you generate it from your social media, but it does not convert into sales, it is worth nothing. You are going to get profit, but not just measuring contests. It means you are wasting your time on not target audience, as even if your visitors like your items, but that is not more than just occasional thank you for some cute picture. I doubt you have this target just to please someone with pleasant photo idea. Well, if you are already on Etsy, you should get acquainted with its algorithm rules. Yes, the marketplace can change them from time to time to develop the platform and be more up to date, but general, I mean the main and basic requirements are steady and regular. Without proper and precise keywords and tags, you hardly can be shown to your clients. The same rule can be applicable on various social networks, but the process of their compilation is so time-consuming, so I prefer to use special tools for such purpose and do not waste efforts and time for such technical routine. Mistake number 3 is derived from the previous point. Mind that too general and widespread keywords lead your account, post, or shop to nowhere. Every second there is a new post with the same keyword or hashtag, for example. So in several hours it is just impossible to find exactly some particular search results. Let it be enough about mistakes, as now you know what leads you to total disappointment trying to advance your Etsy shop on social media. But we are moving to top 5 of social media promotion steps. Number 1. Try a lot of social media variants, analyze results, and choose several most successful ones. Do not waste your time. Take some period as a kind of test drive and analyze stats, but it's more than just numbers. Take into account your personal feedback, whether this particular network drives you. Do you feel satisfaction from the time spending there? And so on. Such auto-analysis is quite important, as if you are struggling while being on this or that social media, you cannot keep your promotion active on an ongoing basis. The second tip is about your content quality. People do not want to bother when they are online. We need to understand this fact, as everything should be as simple as possible. Your content should be entertaining but still trending. At the very beginning, we were talking about visual ads, which we face everywhere. So, use them as your references to become a part of your client's environment. It is easy. Try to identify the most frequently used angle of shooting, style of photo editing, fonts, color, lighting, etc. Moreover, I recommend do not stop doing such fashion training, so to say, as it helps you to develop taste and get an eyeful of trends. And within time, you can even predict what is coming soon. Here is number 3, and we continue. Provoke your followers for communication. Ask them questions or advice. Go into comment section and continue a dialogue branch. Give feedback to them and share your success and fails. Every time when you're hesitating about colors, styles, anything, ask your audience. The next tip is devoted to planning of your content. You should think in advance when you need to post this or that item or information for better promotion feedback. For example, remember your followers about coming holidays, and then you can present them your flashbacks from your childhood about this holiday and your most remarkable presents. It will be a kind of some native ads. Use also reviews and photos of your items as presents last year, for example. When you have strategy, your promotion does not seem senseless and chaotic, and you do not start every day with thoughts of what to show on my account. And final fifth hack, mind networking. But I'm not talking about like for like. As I mentioned previously, look around. Now all global brands use collaboration actively. Why not try? Create a set of items with other Etsy sellers so promotion traffic will increase several times, as your partners will also promote your stuff on their channels. Well, actually, that is all information I wanted to share with you today. This theme is rather extensive, so I was trying to structure the most important moments and explain briefly my thoughts and opinions. I really appreciate your feedback. And if you have some questions about any tips or mistakes, you are free to go into comment section. I will answer and clarify all moments. And especially, I will be glad to hear about your experience of promotion of your Etsy shop on social media. Your story will be quite meaningful. So see you and good luck. May all your traffic be your target audience.